Today I want to talk about this Nano Speedy. This is very quickly becoming one of my favorite size Speedies. I usually go for the 25, which is about yay big compared to this one. This one is smaller than my hand, so it is a tiny little guy. This one I use for like ladies' nights, date nights, things where I don't want to carry a lot of things, but it does fit a few credit cards, some cash, your keys, and if you have a small wallet. So we actually carry some wallets on our website that are pretty little and they would fit inside of here. So if you love this bag but you want a wallet that fits inside of it, there are a few wallets. We'll do a separate video featuring the Louis Vuitton Victorine wallet that is tiny and it holds everything you need and you could fit it inside of here. It's a beautiful little wallet. This one is canvas exterior. It's made just like every other Speedy. I don't really see any differences on it. The interior is cotton and this has a little Louis Vuitton tag. You can find the date code on the bottom here. This one is a 1995, so such a little, kind of an old little girl, but she's so cute. Let me show you how it looks on. This one does come with a detachable crossbody strap. Sometimes these Nano Speedies come with shoulder straps because a lot of times people buy them for their daughters, and so a shoulder strap would be long enough for a crossbody strap on a little girl, but this one comes with a full-size crossbody strap. Look how cute this is. It is literally like, first of all, mini bags are like the bag right now, but I didn't think I'd like them. I was like, they don't carry enough stuff for me. This carries basically everything that I carry. It holds everything that I carry, so I don't have any disdain for this tiny little mini bag. Let me show you a size comparison for this Nano and the size 40. Look how cute. It can go inside. It can be a bag charm. How cute. So this is the size 40, which is the largest size Speedy that Louis Vuitton makes, and then of course the Nano. So look at them together. It's the mama and the baby, but this one is so cute. This one, we do typically carry this on our website, so you can find it milkhoneycollection.com. And if you enjoyed this video, we do videos like this all the time, doing bag reviews, talking about bags, facts about them, things like that. So don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below, let me know if you would carry this team.